Preparation before splicing. We are tying the buffer to the cassette using the small cable tie. It's been cut off to ascertain a new job. Coiling of the core inside the cassette in order to deliver a very neat job. You will pick one of the buffer and the second one that you are going to splice core to core together. Then you arrange the first one where you want it to head. You pick the other one too that is to be spliced together where you want it to head. So by the time you splice, you will not have excess or have the cable inadequate to coil around. But by neatly prepared and take the measurement of the core, after the splicing, you have a very neat job. Now we are picking the other buffer for the same measurements. You can see, you need to be very careful as well. You can see, this is live particle. In one of our segments,